elastics. So I would just like to add up this Sotex is a really nice initiative done by Mr. Parminder and his co-founder, and this will serve as a platform to a lot many people who are looking for suppliers, customers, and who can fulfill their needs for all the garment manufacturing needs that they have. And this is a very nice initiative, and I'm very happy to be a part of it. Thank you.
I will congratulate Sotex team for the efforts what you're doing for the industry. And today in the seminar also, it was nice. Few things we got to know and met few buying agent and few of the couple good suppliers of trims. You have a list of good people on board. I'm hoping that my team has already started doing some.
So good afternoon, everyone, and good evening also to some of you. So today my name is Sonil Jain and I'm the founder of Sotex, and me along with Gagan. Gagan is our business head. We both are going to be the host for today's demos presentation. And I welcome everybody who is joining us from various cities in India and also from Bangladesh. I would like to just start off by welcoming once again to everyone, and I would appreciate अगर आप लोग सब chat box use कीजिए, please share your names, your company's name, so that we know who you are. Plus, if you can also mention the location that you're joining in from. In the meanwhile, I would like, we still have another 2 minutes to start this session formally. So before we have everybody in the room, we can just have a small networking event or engagement between the people who are just in the room at this point of time. So I would, I would request every one of you to please use the chat box and share your name, company names, and the locations that you are joining in from.
Good afternoon, everyone, and it is absolute pleasure to see you. Many of you have come onto our sessions earlier, and thank you so much for coming on here. And I can see people are now, so we can always see your names, everyone. All we would like to know is where you are joining from, what's your business. It'll be nice because you never know. After adding your putting your name and business, you may find an opportunity to network or connect with somebody, right? So please do that. As you can see, my name is Gagan Kapoor and I head the Sotex Connect division. And yes, we are very excited to see you here because today we are going to talk about how do you really scale up your business by using Sotex tools. That's the idea. And yes, it's dot at 5 and I can see Yogesh has written. He's from Nestol Inc. Bangalore in technical textiles. Wonderful. Kaushik, please write where you are from. I can see many more people as it is turning 5 are joining in. Sunil Dalwani is from Surya Super Threads, Bangalore. Wonderful. Good to see you, Sunil. Sana Jariwala is from Darshana Textiles, Surat. Very nice. Thank you so much to all of you. And I think, Sonil, it's 5 o'clock. Let's start with the presentation. What do you say? People are still joining in though. Yes.
Yes, Gagan, the time is 5. I think we should all get started. I know we have a few things to cover up. And I would request you to take over and start by introducing, because we have some new people also in the session today. I would like to thank members from the Buying Association of India, which is BAA. So Buying Agents Association is also part of the room today. They have joined in to understand the Sotex Connect and their vertical in much more detail. So Gagan, I would request you to take over from here.
Thank you. Yes, absolutely. I am looking forward to it. And before we actually talk about some interesting tools which you are going to learn today, I want to briefly talk about what exactly is Sotex Network and Sotex Connect, and all the tools, of course, will definitely be informed to you and explained to you by Sonil today. So first of all, what we do at Sotex. At Sotex, we actually are a tech aggregator and a knowledge platform. The idea is that we incorporate, bring together B2B, business to business networks. Global connections is what we claim, and we aim to make it for the people, and we do it every single time. And we do this by offering you some amazing smart tech tools, whether it is sales or it is sourcing. We do it all for those purposes. And we also offer you unified workflow management, where you connect with buyers as well as suppliers, where the buyers are connected to suppliers and vice versa. Our eventual aim, all of this process, is that we help you grow your business. This is what, in a very short description, is what Sotex Network is all about. And what is interesting, what do we actually do at Sotex Network? So at Sotex, if you see, there are 4 things majorly what we do. The first one is we offer you sourcing and lead generation tools, where you are able to do real-time sourcing of raw materials, pricing, delivery, etc. Portfolio management, design, records, listing, e-catalog, surplus stock management and liquidation, idle capacity, search and updating, right? The third one is Sotex Connect. I will be telling you a bit in detail about the Sotex Connect also. It is our online learning management system. And the fourth is multiple interactions, whereby we bring together buyers, manufacturers, sellers, vendors, experts, and industry associations. This in totality is what Sotex is all about. And staying a bit more on Sotex Connect, I would now like to talk about what exactly is Sotex Connect. Sotex Connect is Sotex Network's initiative to help our community learn, engage, and collaborate. This is what we intend to do with that. This is a fairly new initiative what Sotex has started, apart from so many other initiatives what we have already been doing or what we are doing. Now, at Sotex Connect, what do we do? Sotex Connect actually helps the textile community get more opportunities to connect, train, interact, collaborate, and co-create. This is what is our aim. And the idea is that we give more value to our partners. All the people who are on the Sotex platform, they get to have more value. How? I'm going to be telling you very, very soon. We also talk about how do you really remain up to date with the latest industry trends? What's new in technology? What's new in sustainability? Or what's new on machinery part? Whatever you talk about, we will come out with a session or bring out a session. Or you will also be able to see some of the previous sessions videos, where you can see that what our experts have spoken. And we bring experts, top of the world, top of the line experts who come there. Our idea is that we expose to you some great industry leaders, get inspired by them. That's the idea. Upskill your business. Find how do you really upskill your business. We also generate a lot of ideas when we work with our business growth experts who can help you upskill your business, followed by how do we learn from the best is something what we do, right? So overall, what all kind of events we actually do on Sotex Connect? Let's see. We do networking events. This is a live buyer-seller meet where we actually connect with people and we bring together buyers and sellers. This is something that we do on first Thursday of every month. We do this live buyer-seller meet. We do this knowledge series whereby we bring in again a lot of interesting insights from the industry panelists. We do tech innovation sessions whereby we help you get up to date with the latest technology. We do fireside chats in which we talk about sometimes a company story, sometimes a big industrialist story, a lot of this, so that you can get inspired by all of these. And we also do business and personal upskilling trainings. We are going to give you some examples of how we are making a change in people's lives. Ultimate aim for us is that we are able to learn, engage, and collaborate. Now, what all kinds of audience you can expect at this forum? You can expect brands, buying agents, and retail chains. You can expect garment and home furnishing manufacturers. You can expect fabrics, trims, and machinery manufacturers, and of course, allied services working for the textile industry. So we bring together a complete ecosystem of people so that they all can seamlessly do business here. That's the idea with bringing them all together. And what kind of people? You see, there will be large companies here, medium companies, small companies, and what kind of people who are working in them, whether it is business owners, whether it is sourcing heads, whether it is sales heads, whether it is decision makers, merchants, or designers, you will find them all here. Ultimate aim that we will bring you all together and we all learn together, learn to do business better, learn to network better, and learn to do this all what is happening these days, digital literacy. This is what we do. We are bringing together people digitally, making them learn the new way of networking. And our idea is that we create together more and more opportunities for you all. Learn, engage, and collaborate is what we aim to do, and we wish to do, and we are doing that already, right? All what you have to do is that you have to look for our Sotex Connect monthly events calendar. Our next 2 months calendar is almost ready, and we will be sharing with you some of the activities, some of the events which we are doing in the next 5 events. What we are doing, I'm going to be telling you right away, and you can block your calendar. But all what you need to do is, all our growth sessions happen on Sundays, and all our industry events happen on Thursdays. So you need to block your Fridays on your Thursdays, 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. like we are today here meeting for a session. And of course, we block for our business growth sessions either a Saturday or a Sunday, so that you can attend those sessions at the comfort of your home, right? Now, what kind of events which are coming in June and July? Now, this is interesting. 13 June, we have a business growth session. 17 June, green buildings. I'll tell you more about them. 26 June, business growth session again on automating your business. 1st July, networking event. Let me brief you about each one of them. On this 13 June, on Sunday at 11 a.m., we are talking about 7 unbelievably easy ways to grow exports, where I, Gagan Kapoor, and my colleague Sandeep Kaushik will be talking about how do you really grow your exports. This is one thing which you cannot afford to miss if you are looking at exports to grow forward. Then next week, same time, 17 June, we are talking about green buildings in textile industry. Okay, interesting thought. It is important. People are asking for it. And we will have a very senior architect in the green building industry. We will have an industrialist coming in, and we will also have people from certifications and all coming in. So very interesting panel which will be here, and we are excited to bring you all to them. After that, we are on the 26th of June, Saturday, 11 a.m. We are coming up with automate your business with Google Forms and Sheets. Yes, through Google's and Forms and Sheets, you can automate. This event has been brought back on popular demand because many people requested that we want to see Cable back. We did this event, I think 3 weeks back, and now we are here back again with this session on 26th of June. And then one event which everybody now waits every month, buyer-seller meet, is coming up on 1st of July, 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. This is where we bring buyers and sellers and the suppliers within a meeting like this, and that's where you actively meet, talk to them, tell them your queries. They talk about their requirements, and you discuss and you connect. Do you know, each of our buyer seller meet in the past 3 months has produced more than 100 opportunities which got generated within the room itself, and 68% of all those opportunities have already been connected, and buyers and sellers are on their way to doing business. That's what it is. So this is on 1st of July, which is the first Thursday. And then on 4th of July, we bring together another business growth session. And that session is by Rahul Jain. He's a sustainable growth coach, and he's going to be talking about how to achieve exponential growth by transforming yourself. This is our arena of events which are happening. But you know what? There is something very, very interesting which is coming. Yes, there is, apart from all these new things which are happening at SOTEX, there is one big announcement which is going to happen. And I will not let that announcement out because there is something interesting. But all what I want to tell you is that SOTEX has recently tied up with a global technology giant. Yes, SOTEX has got a global tie-up with a giant in the technology, in the textile industry space. And you will get to hear about this very, very soon. I am super excited because I know that already, and I'm sure a lot of you are going to get benefited once this technology gets integrated within the SOTEX network. And I am super interested and excited. But now, after all of this, all what we are looking at is the time, which is today, to talk about how do you really double your sales by just spending 30 minutes on SOTEX. But before I actually do that, it is always required by us to thank our sponsors who are helping us run these events. Along with that, we also would like to thank our associations who support us. So first of all, before I talk about our sponsors, I would like to first thank our associations who support us. Garment Export Association of Rajasthan, thank you very much for our continuous support. Indian Importers Chamber of Commerce and Industry, thank you so much. IRCCI, thank you so much. And of course, Noida Apparel Export Cluster, thank you so much to all three of you for this unmatchable support which you are giving to us. And now coming to our sponsors, introduction to for our sponsors. Thank you so much, DTEX, for being so amazing partner to us. DTEX is, do you know that DTEX, with this latest technology and the latest global certifications they have, are right now amongst the top 10 in the India, Amazon and Flipkart ratings. Yes, this is what the quality of DTEX is, and they are currently actually making a difference to a lot of people. Thank you so much, DTEX, for helping us plan all these events. We are really indebted for that. And I'm sure that you are going to go even more places. You are going to be number one than just being in top 10. Wonderful. Thank you so much. And of course, we would like to thank our second annual partner, VN International, who are into corporate gifting, and they can customize all the entire range for you. Do you see the kind of journals, the pens, all the graphics and the stationery and the corporate stationery they have? It's truly amazing. And we are again indebted to VN International for helping us continuously run these programs by sponsor again. Thank you so much to both of you, DTEX as well as VN International. And with this, I would now like to come back to where I started. I would now like to come back to talking about tools. I've spoken about tool number 3, SOTEX Connect. I've spoken about buyers, manufacturers a bit, but what is happening in tool number 1 and 2, if you notice, this is where Sonal comes into action. And Sonal, over to you to talk about what and how. I'm going to bring this screen again, Sonal, just a moment. How do you double? Sonal is going to tell us how do we double our sales by spending just 30 minutes on SOTEX. Over to you, Sonal.
Thank you so much, Gagan, for sharing the complete detailing on SOTEX Connect and the new information and the new collaborations which are coming in. And I am excited, and so is, I think, the community, knowing this announcement coming in. We'll be very shortly introducing you all to this technology and how this is going to get benefited and how it can be more like a game changing for a lot of us in terms of saving cost and driving more benefits from technology as a whole. I would like to start off today's discussion or today's tools by first introducing the pain areas and how Sotex has actually developed the tools around these pain areas. I would like to bring into on a couple of points which are there as part of the industry. There are certain areas which are part of our challenging areas. You know, as a business, as a textile business or a apparel business, we always find challenges in finding the right new and potential customers. The cost of development in our industry is relatively high because we are always innovating the product lines, and this is happening daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis. Not everything goes in the commercial or I would say the ordering stage. Then we are also having a challenge of surplus stock, especially from the trims as well as from the fabric side, where a lot of value-added products are getting created. At the same time, the apparel, there are products which are lying unsold, which is like either it is the rejections or late deliveries. We do often get these challenges on board. And then we have a problem of imbalanced production capacity. As a business, we have always, we see there are two sides of the equation. One is sometimes we have too much of business, sometimes we are low on business. So there is always like, the imbalance of the demand and supply here. And then we have a quick turnaround. Being in the fashion business, we all are part of it. And we see that there is a complete quick turnaround and the changing trends that we need to cope up with. And last is maintaining the efficiency and the bottom line of our business. So these are some of the challenges that are there in the ecosystem. And the tools that I'm going to be sharing to you right now are been devised all around looking at these challenges in our textile ecosystem. So let me try by starting off on the fact that why we created this set of tools. Now, the reason why we also created these tools is that there has been a lot of transformation which is happening around in the digital space. And these transformations we have always observed in other sectors which are happening faster. But nevertheless, there is a transformation which is happening even in the textiles. And especially in the COVID times, in the last 2 years, what we have seen roughly about in the last 18 months, that there is a lot of, the engagement part has actually reduced. People have not been engaging too much physically. Now everything is kind of moved to a digital side. All the interactions that we see, all the engagement that we see are happening on the Zoom calls, on the WhatsApps, or on the emails. So a lot of these kind of restrictions are actually coming into the play. Now there's the second phenomenon what we have also observed in the last few months is how people are looking at reducing the consumption of the natural resources. And these are the natural resources in terms of our commodities, because we see the commodities prices have gone up. Where the demand has gone low, but on the other hand, the commodity prices have gone up. That means there is a scarcity which is kind of developed because of the COVID times. We have seen that. And so what we need to do is we need to make it an optimized usage. And recycling is coming more into the concepts nowadays for the companies. Lastly, what is important in terms of the businesses right now, what we see is sustainability is becoming a global norm, not only in India, but आप जहाँ पे भी जब जाएंगे हर जगह पे ऊपर आपको ये नजर आएगा कि sustainability is a demand which is a requirement which every single customer, consumer, even the international buyers are looking at the fact, how do we make a product which is much more sustainable with the learning and the processes? How do we make sure and use the products which are more reusable or natural and they can be recycled back to the environment? With knowing all these kind of things, I want to come now to the tool side of what we are doing through Sotex. Currently, the tools that we have employed on Sotex are around 6 strategic areas. These are the tools on driving better buyer and supplier engagement, design management, stock management, real-time interactions, capacity management, and team management. We've already got about 10,000 companies plus who are listed on the network. We're close to about 12,000 companies. These companies are starting from brands, garment manufacturers, home textiles, weavers, knitters, spinners, and all allied services. So in totality, this is where we have kind of done it. Now, how have we done it? Through our tools. The tools that we have used on this particular area are starting from, if you see there was a problem wherein we were finding new business was always a challenge. As a part of the textile or any other business, the finding of the right connections was always a problem. Whether we were looking as a manufacturer, we were looking for buyers, or we were looking out for suppliers, or if we are a buyer, we were looking out for manufacturers and suppliers, or if we are suppliers, we were always looking out for buyers and manufacturers. So first level of problem integration, what we have handled through this network is how do we connect all the three main stakeholders in the ecosystem together. That's what we have done on this ecosystem, wherein through Sotex applications, we have connected all the three together, wherein the discovery becomes much more easier. I'm going to run a very short video here just to share with you how this digital ecosystem of connectivity works. So what we have done here is a small change, how the mindset works and how the information travels. In this particular area, what we have done is we have automated the engagement part in totality. And the engagement is the one wherein when you are as a, you're looking out for something, as a buyer, there is an application which gets opened up. There is a dashboard which is there provided by Sotex mobile application, and same is available on the web also, where you can just as a buyer open up a small inquiry form. The form is something which is shared to you on the screen. You just fill up the form with all your specification and requirements. What the application does at the moment you submit it, it goes to all the people in that category and subcategory in one go. Now, how this supports is all your details and your requirements are captured in one go, and based on your location preference, based on your category and subcategory preference, the inquiry goes to those vendors. सिर्फ उन्हीं vendors को जाती है जहाँ पे जो उस subcategory में listed है. Now, this gives an opportunity from the supplier side that they can respond back to the buyers immediately on the application. Now, this creates the first level of engagement, right, wherein for the buyers, the area is that they don't have to go around looking for vendors. And at the same time, for the vendors, the application helps in not going around finding the business, but the business is and the opportunities are coming to you right on the application itself. Now, having the opportunities on the application gives you the access to respond to them in terms of the price. And that's how the first level of engagement gets started. So आपका कोई भी चीज, कोई भी आपका interaction और engagement होता है, वो first level of engagement शुरू होता है आपके price से. And price gives a kind of a reason for a buyer to scan through multiple suppliers and see who is matching to the price target or the value equation which he is proposing. Now, there are times where the buyers have the right specifications with them and they post these inquiries with a set of details, and then immediately the prices go back from these suppliers, and the buyers are able to compare what is coming from my existing suppliers, what is coming from my new suppliers, and for him to make a decision making or the closure, it becomes more faster. At the same time, there are times when buyers do not know what they're looking out for. They are looking out for designs and discovering the right potential suppliers also. So it is not a very, very quick thing for them, but at the same time, they know once they place the inquiry on the SOTEX, within 12 working hours, they will get to respond with at least 5 to 7 suppliers immediately. So the connection engagement becomes stronger. So if they have their sampling, which they needs to be taken care of, if they have any kind of requirement, they can reach out to those people and start doing the first level of engagement. We have thousands of suppliers listed on the platform from across Southeast Asia. These are suppliers from India, from Bangladesh, from Sri Lanka, from China, even from Pakistan. Now we have companies. So these are like how the ecosystem is becoming bigger now. As you become more part of this ecosystem, depending upon the location preferences of the companies, the suppliers are available to you, and based on the category and subcategory, you can reach out to these suppliers immediately through your click of the button. The second area that would be created is a matrix wherein we have seen that there were companies who were creating the designs. They were creating the designs, लेकिन वो designs जो है commercially कभी भी हर buyer के सामने नहीं जाते थे. Or for example, you've created it a line for one set of buyers. अब वो buyers ने अगर उनमें से लेट्स से आपने 20 डिजाइन्स क्रिएट किए, 2 या 3 डिजाइन्स आपके पास हुए, तो जो 17 या 16 आपके डिजाइन्स क्रिएटेड हैं वो कभी भी दूसरे बायर के लिए उनके सामने नहीं जाते थे. What SOTEX has created is an opportunity where you can list all your designs, whether it has gone into the production in the past or have never gone into the production. You can showcase your design. It can be fabrics, it can be apparel, it can be home textiles, it can be trims. आप अपने products को visible कर सकते हो with more and more people coming into the, for the buyers. On the other side, it gives them the opportunity that they don't have to go around looking for designs. They don't have to look around for trim suppliers. They don't have to go and look around for fabric suppliers or their collections. On one single dashboard, they get to see कि कौन से suppliers किस category में. There is a simple filtration matrix जो हम लोगों ने which platform has created, where the buyers can easily put the filters and go through each and every single detailed category. For example, they're looking out for men's के अंदर they're looking out for shirts. So they can simply use the shirt का filter and go only and looking for the shirts. If they are looking out for wooden buttons, so simply the same thing can be done by putting a filter on the buttons and the wooden buttons. So it gives them the opportunity to go and see the wider access of designs which are available from the ecosystem. So in one way, it gives the leverage to both the sides of the vertical, the buyer side also and the supplier side also, to come together and interact and engage on one single platform. We call this as a design cloud. It is very, very simple to use. Not only you can shortlist this design, but the application gives you another extension which helps you to create a real-time e-catalogs. How does it help in the businesses? That once you have the designs gallery which has been placed onto the platform, so all these designs can be like, it can be hundreds of designs, it can be thousands of designs. Now with every single buyer requirement that is coming in, everybody has a very specific of what they want. So what you can do is just simply go to the app, shortlist the designs that you want to send it to the buyers, create a mini e-catalog and just share it on through the application only. You don't have to go through of making PPTs, of sharing it on the folders or on the WhatsApp. the way it goes from Sotex Connect vertical is कि वो आपका it will have your proper e-catalog के अंदर आपका you have a digital front page. You have the designs which are there. It will give the design name, number. It will also show the construction of the design. Whether it is a silk fabric, whether it is poplin fabric, whether you have used any kind of specific button or any kind of component that it is showing in. जो भी specification है, it goes with the specification and along with the detailing. आपका अगर कोई minimum order quantity था वो भी आ जाएगा. Along with that, the way you share it, the last page comes as your own company's profile. So your own company's profile is going to the user. It is not the Sotex profile, what you see in the screen. It's just a demo, but you get to share your own profile. So how it adds value is, it immediately transpires for you to transact. कोई भी आपके पास inquiry आ रही है users की or buyers की on the platform, and they start engaging with you. The best thing is to do is immediately send them your e-catalogs. The e-catalogs which you have listed on the platform, or even if you have your own e-catalogs, you can send it to them. So the buyers will start engaging on the fact once they know what your range is. Simply for you to start the engagement is the first level of process is create these e-catalogs, and through the platform we give a lot of options where you can create e-catalogs depending on the customer's taste and what they are looking out for. So this gives a better side of equation. What we also give is the additional support feature. Now this additional support feature is available to our second tier, which is the professional members and above. Now where this feature comes into play is, we not only share your designs, but in case if you want a 3D imaging of the design, we also help you to support these 3D images. For example, what you see right now on the screen is a fabric. A fabric, how it can be designed in terms of the garment, in terms of the front side, the back side of the garment, what silhouettes you want to use. We have about hundreds of silhouettes which can be used. So all you need to do is reach out to the Sotex team, tell them that this is what they are looking out for. These designs can be created and customized to your preference. Of course, we have some limitation in terms of the number of designs, but at any point of time, you can have anything between 10 to 20 designs being created as part of Sotex member, Sotex professional tier member and above. So on both the verticals, we are doing this for our fabric trim suppliers both. The other area, and one of the very, very critical areas on our platform, what we are addressing is the challenges of stocks. A lot of companies have got this area, and this is like a very perpetual area as part of our industry, where the fabrics, trims, accessories, garments, they get left out. चाहे आपकी प्रोडक्शन ज्यादा बन गई या कम बन गई, आपका कलर रिजेक्ट हो गया, आपका ऑर्डरिंग हुई थी लेकिन बायर ने फॉर वट एवर रीजन वो ऑर्डर को स्टॉल कर लिया. कोविड टाइम्स के अंदर वी सॉ लॉट ऑफ ऑर्डर्स गेटिंग कैंसल्ड और ऑर्डर्स बीन पुट ऑन होल्ड. सो व्हाट यू डू विद ऑल दिस इन्वेंट्री जो आपके पास पाइल अप हुई है? सो वन, जो करंट इकोसिस्टम में लोग क्या करते थे कि आफ्टर एवरी 3 months 6 months दे यूज्ड टू कॉल द कबाड़ी वाला और द अदर पीपल एंड दे यूज्ड टू टेल देम कि जी आप अपना हमारा ये फैब्रिक का, फॉर एग्जांपल यू बॉट द फैब्रिक फॉर 50 rupees, they will buy it for 10 rupees 20 rupees, or they may buy it from kgs. आप meters में buy कर रहे हो, they buy in kgs from you. Or if you are having trims, accessories, चाहे वो बटन है, हैंगर है या फिर कोई भी फैब्रिक है, that fabric or that things are being left out. Even the garments have been left out. So what we have created an opportunity is the people can actually upload their designs. They can upload their designs, they can share their designs in the category and subcategories which are available with them. जो भी आपके पास categories हैं, as a member of the platform, we give you an access to this, and this is all been done on our where you don't have to use any separate tool. The tools are inbuilt to your applications. आपको बस अपनी application से अपने stocks को upload करना है, वो किसी भी category के अंदर है. So all that spacing has been given by Sotex. You can upload the designs. For the buyers, how it adds value for them is, for whatever they are looking out for, जो भी वो सर्च करना चाहते हैं, they have the ready reckoner of whatever designs are available in real time basis. So these stocks can be in garments, in fabrics, in trims, accessories, or with any other person. जहाँ पे भी वो companies हैं, किसी भी location पे हैं. For example, you are sitting in Delhi and you want to see the kind of fabrics which are available in print design or in velvet design, Georgette designs, Georgette, dyed Georgettes. All you have to go is go to the Sotex stock section, see where the designs are lying. It can be in the garment side and in the garment factory. It can be lying in the with the fabric mill. It can be lying with the trader anywhere in Surat or in Erode. But for you, all the information is available on Sotex website itself. And generally, what we have seen here is the companies who are coming and uploading their details here are the ones who are able to, get better realization of the stocks which ideally are lying in their warehouse for a longer time. So these kind of opportunities are available, and it is a win-win situation. The buyer gets the ready stocks and at a relatively lower price than what is available for the for the new fresh stock. The qualities are there, formulated, and everything is being shared upon. I'm going to just share a quick video of how this application or this tool works for everyone.
Log in to Sotex app. Enter your login credentials or sign up. Open your dashboard in Sotex app. Upload your stock in 3 easy steps. Click on Add New Stock. Fill the stock form completely and also upload product photographs. You may make stock live for public view or keep in private view. In private view, you or your team members can see it.
So the application gives you the flexibility of putting the complete detailing of the stock. The detailing helps the buyer side to understand
You can
कि
upload multiple
उसमें
images.
क्या-क्या details हैं, क्या उसके images हैं, क्या उसके features हैं जो आप बताना चाहते हैं. The more detailing you put in your stock, it is easier for the buyer side to understand कि आपका stock के अंदर क्या detailing है. So what we mean by this entire application is the fact that the steps what are there in the app. Of course, the entire presentation that we've done is based on the app. I can show you the live demonstration on the website also right after we finish this section. So what it actually helps you is on the dashboard itself, you have the section of surplus stock. Go to the details section, fill up your details. The moment you submit the details, before that it will ask you whether you want to keep it in public or private. So it is in one way helping you to create your inventory management tools. चाहे एज अ बिजनेस ओनर आप खुद करना चाहते हैं या आपके टीम के मेंबर्स करना चाहते हैं, दोनों चीजें पॉसिबल हैं इसके अंदर. वी हैव गिवन फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी टू द कंपनीज कि वो खुद भी करें या आपके जो मेंबर्स हैं जिनको भी आप ऑथराइज करना चाहते हैं उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया के लिए, वो इस स्टॉक की एप्लीकेशन डाल सकते हैं, यूज कर सकते हैं. एंड देन दे कैन अपलोड मल्टीपल काइंड ऑफ इमेजेस व्हाट आर अवेलेबल विद देम. एक प्रोडक्ट की डिफरेंट तरीके से आप इमेजेस क्लिक करके आप डाल सकते हैं. It gives the access to the buyer side for understanding the detail what is available, किस location में वो stock पड़ा है. अगर आप अपना कोई target price देना चाहते हैं वो भी आप इसमें डाल सकते हैं. So it is like at one side अगर आपकी factory में कुछ भी पड़ा है या आपके location पे कुछ भी पड़ा हुआ है, it can help you reach out to many people across in your country, or it can go even outside your country. Anywhere outside, you have some bulk stocks which are lying in fabric, trims, accessories, garments, finished goods. You can show your product lines to everywhere and to the people across across the globe through this application. The third very important area which we have also covered in this particular area is the capacity. As we know, as we all understand, there is always an imbalanced production capacity in our textile ecosystem. On one side, there are buyers or there are factories who have got too much of business, and on the other side, there are factories that do not have too much of business. And then there is export side and the domestic side, and there is companies who are doing winter wear, and then there are companies doing the summer wear. Of course, the equation is always changing. The only thing is the fact that आपके buyers कैसे हैं और आपके buyers का timeline क्या है. Every buyer has a product life cycle और वो हमेशा generally change होती रहती है. What we have given here is an option कि अगर आपकी seasonal demand पे factory चल रही है और आपके पास extra capacities हैं, please come and share your capacities on the platform. The platform will share your available capacity to the fellow manufacturers also and to the fellow buyers also. Now this gives a leverage for a factory to get business for his own unit in the lean times. जब आपके पास काम कम होता है और आपके पास idle लोग बैठे हुए हैं या आपकी workforce है जिनको आपको salaries देनी है, or you have fixed expenses to be meet out, these kind of collaborations and engagements and facilitation gives more opportunities for your existing business. आपकी factories के ऊपर काम आ सकता है. Secondly, it also helps the other side of the manufacturers कि कई बार manufacturers होते हैं जो because there are like styles which are coming in one go, approval slate आ रहे हैं या आपने lines को set किया हुआ है, but everything is coming into the last minute. Now, generally, it is a situation where either you start asking for extensions or you start asking for extra time from the buyers, or sometimes you even have to say no to the buyer or cancel the orders because of low capacity or because the existing capacity is not able to fulfill the demand at that point of time. So what happens is, on a platform, we have given the option wherein the manufacturers can upload their idle capacity. It can be in garments, it can be home textiles, it can be in fabric, trims, accessories. Even in the job working area, आप अपनी बस capacities को share करोगे, this is what is available with us. And you will start seeing that on the other side where the manufacturers, fellow manufacturers, the buyers are, once the capacities are getting uploaded, platform will reach out to the ecosystem through our daily emailers where we will start advising the people that these are the capacities available. People can start encouraging and start corresponding with each other. You know, आपको पता है, हो सकता है कि वो factory जो है आप ही के region में हो, आप ही के area के अंदर हो, और हो सकता है कि subordinate area में हो. You don't have to go around looking out for कि मेरे पास ये order है मैं किससे बनवाऊं. चाहे वो डाइंग का ऑर्डर है, चाहे वो प्रिंटिंग का ऑर्डर है, चाहे वो आपके गारमेंट का ऑर्डर है, यू डोंट हैव टू रन अराउंड लुकिंग आउट फॉर द राइट वेंडर और सपोर्ट मैन्युफैक्चरर फॉर दैट. Sotex will give you the option of finding these people digitally on your application itself. So that is the ease that we have created on the both sides of the ecosystem. The fourth area where we are helping the companies is you can get your existing vendors on the platform, or you can also get the new vendors on the platform. You can search for new vendors on the platform. So how this actually helps you is the fact that जैसे ही आपके पास कोई sourcing की requirement आती है, of course the quantities will keep on changing, जो कि हमारे ecosystem में रहता है. So you always want to check what is available in terms of the market pricing. कई बार आपके पास 2 या 3 वेंडर्स होते हैं उस पर्टिकुलर एरिया के अंदर, कई बार आपके ज्यादा होते हैं या कई बार आपके नहीं भी होते हैं, because the product cycle keeps on changing and every time the requirements of the buyer also keeps on changing. कभी उनको जॉर्जेट चाहिए, कभी उनको रेयन चाहिए, कभी उनको कॉटन चाहिए, कभी उनको पॉलिस्टर चाहिए. How many vendors you can work around with? Even if you have vendors, you always want to say कि how do I find it from the new vendors. Plus कई बार आपके पास ये भी एरियाज आते हैं कि you start saying no to the order because हमारी costing में fit नहीं हो रहा है. चाहे अगर buyer आपको फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक्स प्राइस बोल रहा है लेकिन आपकी कॉस्टिंग में वो एक्स प्लस वन या एक्स इंटू या 1.1x आ रहा है, तो आप जनरली कहते हैं कि अरे हमारी कॉस्टिंग में फिट नहीं हो रहा. Lot of it depends upon your raw material also and also on your internal efficiencies of how you control the cost. What we give you is an additional advantage of reaching out to new vendors. Check the prices from the new vendors. Even if you don't want or you want to work with the new vendors or you don't want to try them, at least you know what is the market pulse around in that area. It gives you the flexibility of working on a tighter prices, but with the access to mills and to the companies which are not currently there as part of the ecosystem. Even if you want to work with your only existing vendors, it gives you the flexibility. You don't have to keep on sending multiple messages, multiple emails to many. Simply just go to the app, push it out to them. आपके जितने भी वेंडर्स, जो भी आपने अपने वेंडर्स को लिंक किया हुआ है अपनी प्रोफाइल के साथ, उन वेंडर्स को उस कैटेगरी के अंदर आपकी डिटेलिंग पहुंच जाएगी इमीडिएटली रियल टाइम बेसिस पे. एंड देन यू कैन कंपेयर इट ऑन योर एप्लीकेशन इटसेल्फ कि किस वेंडर से क्या प्राइसिंग आई है, एग्जिस्टिंग वेंडर से क्या आई है. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि न्यू वेंडर से भी पता चल जाए तो आपको न्यू वेंडर से भी वो प्राइसेस पता चल जाते हैं. Then you can compare. So these kind of comparison sheets are available to you on your applications. आपकी वेब एप्लीकेशन में हम लोगों ने वो ऑप्शन दिया है कि आप प्राइसिंग जो है अपने वेंडर्स के साथ आप कंपेयर कर सकते हो किसका क्या प्राइसिंग आई है. So this is a kind of feature listing that is completely coming on board. Now in terms of this particular area on a dashboard for any kind of company, चाहे वो गारमेंट्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कर रही है, फैब्रिक्स कर रही है या ट्रिम्स कर रही है, everyone can come and see what are the live opportunities available on the platform. Live opportunities. So this is the main thing that you should be looking at. Daily अगर आप एक बार उसको ओपन करके देखते हैं कि आपकी कैटेगरीज में what are the opportunities that are available. There are thousands of opportunities which are hundreds of opportunities which are coming on weekly basis. Sotex also happens to be one of the fastest lead generating platforms in the month of April in the textile area, in the textile and fashion area. And now what with the new applications coming onto the board, we have associations wherein we have factories from Jordan coming and joining in, from Bangladesh, Vietnam, Sri Lanka. All these associations are coming back and they are looking out for vendors in the entire ecosystem. And even for the brands, they are finding their choice of suppliers not only from one particular country, from multiple countries. So that kind of opportunities are lying with you, and you can just have to put the filters कि आपको आपकी कैटेगरी में कौन सी opportunities available हैं, चाहे वो domestic markets हैं, चाहे वो international markets हैं, दोनों से आपको real time मिल जाती है. Secondly, आपको जो stocks हैं, वो सारे मिल जाते हैं. And what is possible is that with this simple one application, you are able to connect with a lot many people across different geographies. Lot of geographies, lot of brands in the various areas are getting opened up, and you can reach out. Aapko simply you just have to use these applications and you can reach out to all these companies. There are currently about 12,000 companies which are there on the platform. These are some of the small, medium-sized and large-sized companies which are available in the ecosystem. Now, to reach out to all these companies is important, but at the same time, how do you make yourself different from the others? जब भी किसी को आप reach out करना चाहते हो, they want to know more about you as a buyer. They want to understand you. Even as a supplier, if you are getting the information from the buyer, आपके पास inquiry आती है, आपके पास हमेशा एक concern होता है कि ये inquiry तो आई है, how do I make sure कि ये buyer मेरे लिए सही है या नहीं है? So to get this kind of information right onto the matrix, जहाँ पे as a buyer or supplier आपके लिए दोनों के लिए important हो, what is important is how you profile yourself. आप अपने आप को प्रोफाइल कैसे करते हैं on the ecosystem, whether it is on this platform or any other platform you do. The important thing is how you create your digital profile. So I'm just sharing one quick video on this visibility part, how it actually makes a difference to your business to have a right profiling in the on the platform.
Importance of profiling to increase your digital presence. Helps you connect to genuine buyers and suppliers. Now go to Sotex website or you can change from Sotex mobile app. Go to login on right corner of home page and fill the details. To go to profile section, click on drop down arrow on top right corner and select profile. Simple 3 steps. First one is personal info. Second is company or business information. And third one is subcategory. If you want edit personal info, click on edit button on right. Now edit mode open up and edit your content as per your requirement and click save. Now your personal info is saved. Now go to company info and follow the same procedure. Please write about your company in 50 to 100 words consisting of your USP, infrastructure, production capacity, minimum order quantity and turnaround time. You can also mention your buyer to increase your credibility, and if you have certificates then you can upload it as well. You can also update your cell category and it helps you receive specific inquiry to your respective category. Now your profile is up to date. In case of any inquiry, you may email us or call Team Sotex on below numbers.
So profiling is actually one of the main areas of how you build your digital presence on the platform. And this is an area where you also find the right opportunities that are coming to you as a buyer, as a suppliers. Dono side pe, when you are either putting the inquiries on the platform, or you are accessing or accepting the leads, what people see on the other side is if this lead has been accepted by 10 suppliers or 8 suppliers or whatever number of suppliers have come in, who are the people who are verified or who have a better rating on Sotex. Now, the rating is not a concept that we have initiated here, but what we have done is we have categorized every single company, whether it is on the verified side or a non-verified side. If the profiling of the vendor is updated, we put them under the verified section. If the inquiry is not updated, we put these people under the non-verified section. And in case if you have some more opportunities coming in, we put you under the platinum, gold, and silver, silver, gold, and platinum plans. So these are the 3 side of verticals where people can come and together access these things. What we have covered here in the entire thing is buyers, suppliers, and manufacturers across in 48 categories. And these are the people who are there on the ecosystem with us, wherein we have right from the brands, garment manufacturers, fabrics, trim suppliers, all small, medium, large companies. And the application is open to all kind of stakeholders who are part of in the business. So these are the 3 categories, as I mentioned. These are the 3 areas where your profiling actually gives you a better credibility in the eyes of the other user. Whether you are silver verified, gold verified, or platinum verified, these are the testimonials. If you have got business done from Sotex, you advise to us or you write back to us and we upgrade your profiles. We upgrade your profiles from silver, from a verified to a silver verified, gold verified, and a platinum verified. It helps both the sides of the ecosystem to understand each other in a much more better manner. Lastly, what we want to also share with you is the fact that every particular information that you share on the platform is completely encrypted. So we have all the data which is getting stored on the cloud servers. These cloud servers are AWS servers, where every single information that you're sharing is encrypted. We have all the kind of compliances on the platform which are required to enable that there is no information which is getting leaked on the platform. Lastly, we also would like to share about the fact that platform has already generated close to about $60 million worth of business in the last 3 years, which is close to about 410 crores worth of business in INR terms. And we've connected to about 10,000 plus companies. Currently, we are at 12,000. And we've already got close to about 14,000 designs that are loaded on the platform. The numbers are growing on daily basis. These are across 48 categories now, and there are about 975 subcategories which are listed on the platform. This has been the growth story on the user side or on the inquiry side and the product side over the last few years. The majority of the landscape is currently based out of India, Bangladesh, and China, but we have international buyers who are adding up on daily basis. We have multiple buyers coming in. Lastly, I would like to share with you the complete value proposition, the 8 top value proposition from Sotex. There are 30% more business opportunities which are coming on from the platform, 200 plus new leads which are being shared on the platform on a monthly basis. There are portfolio management tools which are there to manage your design, stocks, and capacities. There's a single dashboard where you can upload your vendors and teams, and a dynamic website which can be changed at any point of time. Your detailing of your information about the company, your USP, your infrastructure, any kind of compliances, you can change yourself at the click of a button through your app also and through your mobile application also. And then there is a support system which has been extended by Sotex, which is in areas of digital marketing, where if you are a professional or a second or the third tier member of the company, we also market your products and services to very focused set of buyers that you're looking to reach out. And Gagan has already told you about the upskilling tools that we are offering on the platform to help companies connect with the industry leaders and senior experts. And then there are live networking sessions to help community to cross connect across in different regions and countries altogether. So this is all what we have on the platform. And the way it helps the community as in this current space is the fact that जो भी आपका business है और current ecosystem में और current time span के अंदर जो system आप business के लिए भी are always looking out for outward कि हमें buyers चाहिए, हमें suppliers चाहिए, everything has been connected on the platform. अगर आप सिर्फ दिन में 30 minutes by the watch अगर आप invest कर रहे हैं, you are looking at new opportunities daily. You are looking at what are the stocks which are available, which I can liquidate. You want to share your products. अगर आप वो दिखाना चाहते हैं, तो आप देखेंगे कि आपका जो lead का flow है business का वो बढ़ना शुरू हो जाएगा daily basis पे. I've just shared with you there are 200 leads, but platform is generating close to about 500 leads, 500 to 600 leads on a monthly basis from various regions, from various geographies. So these are the new opportunities which are coming on the platform on a daily basis. We currently generate close to about 40 to 50 new inquiries on daily basis. So I think with that kind of number, it is about close to 1,500 opportunities that are there across in 48 categories. But जो हमारी main categories हैं, उसके अंदर हमारी anything between 200 to 500 inquiries generate होती हैं on a monthly basis. So that is where the new opportunities you can see, and you can start making connection. Even if the business does not happen in the first go, कि आपने price डाला business नहीं आया, that is not to be not to be with the focus area. The idea is that you're trying to make new connections. और ये नए connections जैसे जैसे आप engage करना शुरू करते हैं, these connections will help you to foster, and this actually transpires into a business even if you are not going and meeting those people in person. So this is what I wanted to share. Into considering that we're almost close to the time, I still want to share more application, how it works on the website, but I would start by taking the questions अगर आपके किसी के भी कोई क्वेश्चंस हो, कोई कंसर्न्स हो रिलेटिंग टू एनी प्रोडक्ट एंड फीचर, प्लीज राइट इट ऑन दी चैट बॉक्स, या फिर आपके पास आपके स्क्रीन पे रिएक्शन भी है, आप अपना हैंड रेज कर सकते हो एंड द टीम कैन अनम्यूट यू एंड वी विल अलाउ यू टू टॉक एंड यू कैन पुट इन योर question so that everybody can hear and we can address it jointly for everyone.
Rohan Mehta, thank you so much, Sonal, for this wonderful insight to all of us on how do we really maximize our business on Sotex. I felt it was very, very interesting. And yes, people are now, I can see some more questions coming in, but let's first take question from Rohan. Rohan, please go ahead.
Yeah, hi. How are you guys?
Good.
Thanks.
Okay, yeah, it was a really good session. So I got to learn many things here. My concern is that I have a very unique product. I will not say unique, but out of this, meanwhile I was talking to you, I downloaded the Sotex app as well. So the range of my products are safety posters, industrial safety posters, and safety helmets, safety equipments, and also the signage plates that are being used in automobile industry and many industries across the world, right? So now if I have to get connected with you in terms of business, so my question that I have is that so because it will be altogether a totally different market, so how smooth the things will go from your end as well as from my end if I get connected to you.
So, Rohan,
Mhm.
your category is not our focused area because we cater to only fashion and textile business
Okay.
model area.
Okay.
And however, if you are into any kind of products which are related to fashion and textile,
Mhm.
mentioned about the signages and on, in case if that kind of components are used for uniform manufacturers, people who are making uniforms, those can be the right connects for you. And in case if you like to connect with them, that is where Sotex can add value. However, the kind of product line that you've just mentioned, it is very, very, unique. So there are there are very specific inquiries that comes on that kind of area. But yes, definitely, in case if you are looking out for manufacturers in that particular vertical, we can help you reach out to them.
Definitely. So that would be really good. So I'll connect with someone from your team, Mr. Chahal only, whom I had whom I had a word with. So we'll get back to you on that, right? Thank you very much for your help. It's been really nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rohan. And there was a question from Rena Srivastava. She sent me a message, PM. In fact, I don't know if Rena is in the room. This question is about do you think that the platform is workable for a sourcing agency?
Absolutely, it works for the sourcing agency as well. So there are three areas which are connected for any sourcing agency. One is it helps you connect with a new set of manufacturers across in different geographies. So these people, you can reach out to them not only within India, but you can reach out to them in Bangladesh, China, Sri Lanka, Jordan, Tunisia. So these are the new countries which are already part of the ecosystem now. So you can reach out to all these members or their factories for the different kind of product lines that you intend to do. Apart from this, the second kind of major help is the fact that there are a lot of fabrics and trim suppliers or the factories which are part of our platform. So wherever you get stuck on the pricing, जहाँ पे भी आप pricing के लिए stuck हो जाते हो, or you are not able to find the right component or the raw material for your existing factory, there you can go out and reach out to Sotex and you can share your inquiries on the platform, which can be disseminated to a lot of companies in that particular category. And then you can start engaging with them depending upon what your requirement is. So that's a new set of connections which is on the supply chain side. And third, currently what we're looking at is the fact that we have a lot of international buyers now who are coming and joining us on the platform from Australia, from Europe, from Middle East. And they often find that they are not able to bridge well with the companies directly. These are like not all the companies, but with few companies. Because of their inquiry and the nature of their understanding for a particular market is not completely holistic. So as a buying agent, you definitely have a role to play here, wherein you help the buyers reach out and connect with the factories in a deeper manner. There are specification, there are detailing of a product, which a buying agency is able to understand better than a factory. And of course, then it is a communication also, the kind of follow-up which is required to reach out and convert that business. A buying agency, I would say, can do a better role than a normal factory on its own. So that's where I see there are three areas where a buying agent can actually play an important vertical as part of this textile ecosystem.
Great, Sonal. Thank you so much for the update. And Sunil Dalwani actually asked this question. One of our products, embroidery threads, is very color specific. How can a customer verify the exact color online and source his products from us?
So there are a couple of ways to do that. One way is when you have multiple colors, and of course, as a yarn manufacturer, you would be playing with hundreds of colors. So it is important for you to at least list your product range with limited numbers, at least on the platform. That way, any kind of a buyer or a manufacturer is able to understand your product offering in detail. Plus, you also have to share what kind of count constructions you are dealing in. कि आप कौन से count construction में करते हैं. Thirdly, it is very important to share the kind of certifications that you offer in terms of OCOTEX compliance, in terms of REACH compliance, or in terms of the normal fastness that you offer. Because these are becoming a global norms here. And then there are companies who are connecting from all over the different aspects. There are manufacturers who are now looking out for right kind of trim suppliers, yarn suppliers, thread suppliers, but they always fall short of the fact that they are not able to turn around their requirement in a specific time. So once you are on the platform, what it helps you is the manufacturers can list their requirements and you can revert to them on a real-time basis. And they can also see your profiling, your credibility on what all detailing of the products that you can offer, what kind of certifications you can offer. That helps them to make their decisioning and connections much more important in validation, being made at a much more faster level. So these are the kind of areas where you can get benefit, and same can the manufacturers or the fellow buyers can get benefited here.
Great.
So once they are, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes.
Sunil, please go ahead.
See, once they are satisfied with product and the other certifications, other things, the very end, the most critical thing is to get the right match. They have a Pantone number or they have some other numbers and they want a particular shade, which we cannot exactly, they cannot exactly identify from our range. Nor we can exactly confirm it's what they want. So that's where the constraint is.
So Sunilji, this is like a small constraint that can be handled on a on buyer and supplier. So as a platform, what we help you do is make that first level of connection much more faster. In terms of the product matching to the specification, in terms of whether it is your colors, whether it is your product offering, that is something where your your product USP, and in terms of how your project is presented to the customer is makes more sense, because colors is very subjective area. Sometimes people are kind of making the color matching to the fabric, sometimes they're making color matching to the shades or to the Pantones. So these are something which either you have to make them understand, or you need to come to a common understanding with the buyer as to what level of closeness you can provide from your particular area. So I think this is one area where there is a common understanding that needs to be developed between a buyer and a supplier. And this is more helpful when you start reaching out and start talking to your customer in a more detailing manner in what you can present.
Okay, thank you.
Great. Thank you so much, Sunilji, for asking the question.
I
And
hope this answer helps.
great. Thank you, Sunilji. Let's see. Do we have anybody else who would like to ask any question? We will be more than happy to hear from you. Okay, there's a question.
Sakshi has
Sakshi.
put in a question.
Yes.
What kind of check you make once the buyers are getting on board? I mean, how you make sure that buyers coming on board are authentic. So what we do is we, as I mentioned out to you towards my last part of the slide, is the profiling of the buyer. The profiling becomes the first area where we start doing the validation process. As a platform, we do check what is available on the digital ecosystem, what kind of information is available there at the first level, and then we start graduating the buyers from one level to the other level. When people come on board with us, we take as much detail as they can provide to us. We also validate the information from the online space. Once the information starts coming in, that brief information is captured and is available to anyone and everyone who is member of the platform. They can come, they can see this information together. The second level of validation comes in the fact when the buyers or the suppliers, they start engaging on the platform. They start putting in the requirements, and the requirement disseminates into the information exchange which is happening between the buyer and suppliers. The information being exchanged on the pricing, on the expectation of the target price, on the specifications. Once that kind of detailing starts happening and the information comes back to the customer, from customers back to us, whether it is a user. So if you had a good experience, you share with the platform. You had a bad experience, you share with that. We keep capturing the data and we create a log for the buyer. And whenever you want to access the kind of information which is available, that we share it to the members in person. So that is the kind of credibility matrix coming in. Very soon, we would be also be opening up the rating and reviews system. So that is another gateway where you can understand from the experiences of the other users how how their experience has been while working with a fellow buyer or a supplier. So information exchanges and the reviews that are coming in is available to both sides of the ecosystem.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Sonal, and thank you so much, Sakshi, for asking this question.
Sakshi has another question which she has kind of, Sakshi, I would request if you can put the question directly by marking it to everyone openly, because it helps everybody to understand the questions in more detail. So her second question is, follow-up question is, how do you check the credit worthiness of the buyer? So here I would like to say we have tied up with few outside agencies which are part of the ecosystem, Sotex ecosystem. Now, how that helps is on the fact that the moment you start exchanging the information with the buyers and suppliers, and you start, if you start converting that information or your engagement into potential order. Now, depending upon the size of the order, you can reach out to Sotex and we can do a credit validation process. Now, this credit validation process, we do it with the help of outside agencies. There is a separate cost attached to this, which we can share to you on case-to-case basis. But that kind of a credit worthiness check is available to you. For example, if you connect with somebody in, let's say, Middle East or in Europe or in US or in Australia, anywhere you start connecting with them and you close an order also. So you can reach out to the platform and we will help you facilitate, do a credit check before you actually accept the order or you don't accept the order. So these are like on a case-to-case basis. We can give you that kind of information coming from the platform with the help of a third-party validation process. I hope that helps.
I think she says, yes, definitely. Good. Ankur, you want to say something? Please go ahead. You have a question? Ankur, you have just now written. How can we get overseas buyers? Ankur asks.
So Ankur, that's a very, one open question which is available to everyone. Everybody is looking out for buyers. And so what is the best way to reach out to overseas buyers? And the potential is, first is you need to update your profile. You need to make sure in what category that you're looking out for those buyers. Because we work as a platform, there are about 48 categories which are listed there. Depending upon what category you are in, and I have some historical data which I can share with you also in, right now also, in case if you validate what your profile category is. Every category we get the inquiries from different geographies. There are, during the COVID times, we had a lot of inquiries within the Indian subcontinent. But now with the global economies opening up, there are inquiries which are coming in from different regions. Yeah.
Basically, we are in the trim, sir, but I also updated my profile, but we
Yeah.
cannot get any inquiry from overseas buyers and just.
So, Ankur, what we mentioned out to you is the fact that there are, because of the COVID times, the lot of inquiries got generated within the Indian subcontinent and the ecosystem. So people were trying to work with the companies which are closer to their regions. They were not putting business internationally because things were not moving. The transportation across the world was on a kind of, on the hold. But now what we are doing is there are new geographies that we have opened up. Very shortly, we are having a very focused country networking meetings coming up. So from next networking sessions, we will be announcing the countries. With that, you can start partnering with those countries and their companies which are looking at sourcing from India or from Bangladesh or from China. So everybody wants to look at alternative sourcing. Now, the way it will help and add value to your business is that the more information that you provide on the platform, not just updating your profiling, but you can add products, create e-catalogs so that the moment you have an inquiry coming in, that inquiry can be disseminated by putting up an e-catalog to them, sharing your first level of information about your company, your compliances, what all are the certifications that your company is currently having, and then validating so for the buyers and for them to even start doing the first level of engagement is that they will not be putting an order directly. They don't want to put the order directly by looking at company. They want to see the potential of delivery. They want to understand how quick and responsive you are in terms of your engagement. How much is your potential of working at the international level? So I see that there is as a country, we do have a certain kind of constraints wherein overseas buyers, they like to know more detailing about the user or a supplier before even placing business to them, because they don't want to stuck up with the deliveries and the payment issues. Nobody wants to work on the credit terms nowadays. Everybody wants to work on the cash terms. So it is always better, the more digital profiling you create on a platform, the better it would be the conversions within in the country also and outside the country also for you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Pleasure.
Good. Aditya Kohli writes, thank you so much, Ankur. Aditya Kohli writes, can we get a price trend of a product in a different country so that the pricing is more competitive than their local sellers?
See, this is an area where we are still evolving on this particular front. Right now, we do not have too much of price parities or price trends on each and every specific category. However, if you come and join our export session, which is going to be there on Sunday, Gagan and Sandeep are going to be sharing to you as to how you can actually see the price index of a particular country. So these are specific sessions which you need to learn, and you also can visit. There are specific websites which gives you an indicative pricing mechanism for every single category and subcategory. For example, if you are working in the let's say you are in the female top section, and you want to work in Latin American market, you can get access to what is the price of tops which are happening at Latin American market, at what price the buyers are importing from various countries. Those kind of pricing structures can be the information where you can start working around with, and those kind of information will help you enter and penetrate that market, give the first level of quotations and pricing, and that's how the bridging part starts. This is like how I think you can get this particular area. And Gagan, I think you would be able to share much more details on this area.
Absolutely, absolutely, I can. In fact, how do you really price your products against the competitors? Or Ankur, your question of how do you really find more buyers? Yes, Sotex definitely helps. And we, when you come to the Export Growth Program, you will be able to get another 6 ways by which you can find buyers. So looking forward, this is a collaboration what Sotex has done with Winning Mantra, which is export growth trainings and sessions. So come on Sunday, 11 a.m. and you will be able to see how do you really plan that.
Sure, sir. That would be great. Thank you so much.
Great, Ankur and Aditya. We are looking forward to see you on Sunday to get to know more about how do you really plan all of this. Great. Thank you, Aditya.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Perfect. Thanks.
Okay, good. Bipin says, great session. We'll connect over the next couple of days. Thank you so much, Bipin. Any more questions, any more thoughts, any more feedback? Feel free to put it in the chat box or raise your hand and speak to us. We will be more than happy to help you answer any query you have. All right. I think Sonal. Okay. Yes, Ankur, please go ahead.
सर आई थिंक जैसे ये आपका सोटेक्स है, ये बेसिकली एक सोर्सिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है हम लोगों के लिए। मैं एक कुछ सजेशन देना चाह रहा था कि अगर आप इसको थोड़ा सा लोगों को, जैसे हम जैसे जो लोग हैं जो मिडिल बिल्कुल ही अभी स्टार्टअप हैं या फिर जो मिडिल स्टार्टिंग हुए हैं, उनको ये भी थोड़ा सा गाइड कीजिए कि हमें जितने भी ये लीड्स आती हैं इन पे कैसे वर्क करना चाहिए या कैसे हमें अपने बिजनेस को ग्रो करना चाहिए इन चीजों को लेकर के कि भाई हम लोग लीड्स पकड़ लेते हैं। आज 3 लीड्स आई हमने पकड़ी, कल 3 लीड्स आई हमने पकड़ी, हमने पुरानी 3 छोड़ दी। तो हम लोग इस पे वर्क नहीं कर पाते हैं कि भाई पुरानी 3 लीड्स, हमारा जैसे हम कोई स्टाफ भी रखते हैं तो हमने उनको कल की 3 लीड दी, उनका रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आया, हम आगे 3 पे बढ़ गए, अगले दिन 3 आई, हम पिछली 6 भूल गए। तो उस पे हम कैसे प्रोसीड करें आगे? मतलब ये एक बड़ा जेन्युइनली प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, मैं पिछले 10 दिन से देख रहा हूँ, क्योंकि जिनके भी लीड्स आती है उनको पकड़ते हैं तो हमको ग्रैब करने की कोशिश करते हैं, वो हो नहीं पाता, वो रिस्पॉन्स नहीं करते, कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है, कहते हैं अच्छा हम बताएंगे या हम करेंगे, फिर हम उनको फॉलो अप नहीं कर पाते हैं। सो हाउ कैन वी प्रोसीड सर इसको लेकर के? ठीक है, आप सोर्सिंग हमारे लिए कर रहे हैं, ये बहुत अच्छी चीज है, ये मतलब हमें लीड्स मिल रही हैं, दैट्स इनफ फॉर अस, जैसे इंडिया मार्ट भी करता है और भी सोर्सिंग एजेंट्स करते हैं। पर मैं चाहता हूँ आप लोग इसके लिए भी थोड़ा सा हमें गाइडेंस दीजिए कि हमें अपने बिजनेस को कैसे ग्रो करना है, कैसे चलाना है इस चीज को।
So, Ankur, very good question on this. I think this is one small concern with most of the people which they have. So I would like to say it in one way, because we are transiting into a very fast paced work environment. And जैसे आप समझेंगे, जैसे डिजिटल का टाइम आ रहा है तो things are moving. The idea is digital is that you need to get the things rolling faster. You don't have to go and find business. आपको business ढूंढने के लिए बाहर market में नहीं जाना है. You don't have to go to people and ask them कि what are the opportunities available with you. क्या अगर for example you are into the buttons category. I'm just taking an example right now. I don't know exactly आप किस category में हैं, but आपकी button category है. तो आपको buttons के लिए you don't have to go to the factories looking out for the inquiries on the button. So that inquiries we give it to you on daily basis. आपके पास वो inquiries आपके app पे आ रही है. Now, one thing what I would like to suggest, every one of you as a part of the sourcing and, opportunities, exploring processes, start by reverting to the inquiries which are important to you. Revert karo by not just accepting the inquiries, but putting a price, an indicative price to it. When the price indication comes in, buyer actually gets to know कि out of hundreds of people who have got this inquiry been sent out, who are the people who are ready to, who are interested to work on these inquiries. So जैसे ही आप उसके ऊपर price quote करते हो, that is the first level of exchange which starts coming in. Yeah. And once that first level of exchange starts coming in, तो उसके basis के ऊपर आप out of those 100 you come in the first 3 और first 4, first 5 में आप आते हो. फिर उसके basis के ऊपर buyers को पता है कि okay, now this is the price I'm getting it from the my existing supplier. This is the price I've got it from the new suppliers coming in. He starts comparing. He starts comparing it. If the prices are right side or they are in the range that he's looking out for, that is helping the people to understand कि हमें किससे धंधा के लिए बात करनी है. और जब आप उसके ऊपर फिर बात करना शुरू करते हो, if the response and the numbers that you're coming in, जैसे I know that you are a member of the platform and you get the numbers on daily basis, you get the contact details. अगर आप price quote करते हो, you have the opportunity to reach back to the customer faster. It is like an automated process been created जहाँ पे आप daily basis के ऊपर आप अगर 5 लोगों को reply कर रहे हो price के ऊपर, तो आप देखेंगे कि after every 1 week you have responded to like multiple inquiries, and those multiple inquiries में से then follow up process comes in. Sotex के connect managers हैं जो daily basis के ऊपर उन inquiries के ऊपर back end से भी work कर रहे होते हैं between the buyers and suppliers. तो जहाँ पे भी pricing आती है, the opportunity to get them closed from the back end of the category managers becomes higher. उनके पास prices होते हैं, उनके पास buyers की detailing होती है. They can come back to you and tell you कि whether your price is matching up the buyer's target price or matching up the buyer's delivery timelines. अगर वो दोनों चीजें match हो जाती हैं, तो your equation of reaching to the buyers for the closure becomes faster आपके लिए. तो आपके लिए वो जो conversion की opportunities हैं, वो बढ़ जाती हैं. So for example, अगर आपके पास multiple suppliers हैं, multiple buyers हैं और आपके पास engagements हो रही हैं, तो आप देखोगे कि आपका conversion level जो है, it will always scale up. It will always go up. And that is what our team is doing it from the back end. Majority of the times they are working very closely with the buyers, and based on the prices that you're getting, they are coming back with the target prices of the deliveries. So we intend, and the idea of the complete deliverable of our team is to make sure the business gets closed. And that's how we see that there is a performance matrix which we do it both for the buyer supplier side as well as for our team side. But that's how our deliverables keep are matching up to that level. Yeah.
ठीक है सर, बिल्कुल. Thank you.
All right. There is a question from Sakshi. Thank you, Ankur. There is a question from Sakshi. Can you help how to put a price for a service offered to buyer?
Okay, so in terms of a service offered to the buyer, for example, if you can be more specific, Sakshi, in terms of what kind of services you are talking about, so then I will be in a position to answer in a much better manner.
Actually, you can unmute if you can, please, and ask your question. See, because Sakshi is a buying agency, I think she means service. There, the service comes in handy. Yeah.
Okay, so as a buying agent, आपका जो the main role of a buying agent comes in the fact that buyers always have an expectations of closing certain quantities from a country at a certain price. Of course, everybody as a buyer, they would like to have the best possible price, the best quality, and the best delivery timelines. So इसमें होता क्या है कि as a buying agent, you always work on some revenue sharing with your factories. So when the buyers are coming in, the buyers do not pay for the service. These are the services are always being paid by the factories, and that's what the norms are in our ecosystem. So whenever you're quoting back to the customer, you are talking with the factory. For example, if there is a price of $5 which is being quoted to the buyer, of course there is a revenue share which goes to the agent also and to the factory also. And that's how most of the times the customers are able to, or buying agencies are able to make money into this. But at the same time, in terms of the price quotations to the buyers, of course, the idea is first thing is that you should quote as soon as possible, because the first reaction, what I see on the platform is the fact that though we are able to generate global leads, but at the same time, this have to be addressed at a faster rate. If you are able to respond to the buyer, let's say in a given specific point of time, whether it is in few hours or maybe in less than 12 hours or in one day, you generally see that there is a buyer response coming in terms of whether the price is meeting up or not meeting up, whether what is the next level of expectation he's got, whether he's looking out for now the catalogs or the range or the factory or any kind of compliances that he wants to see. So that level of engagement then starts from there. So as you rightly know, and you are part of this ecosystem for a long time, that's, I think, the best way to start the journey. So first level of handshake is what we intend to make sure from the platform, and the journey can be taken up directly from whether through a buying agency or through a factory, depending upon the inquiries and the response time that you are able to generate from there.
Great. Sakshi says absolutely clear. Wonderful. Thank you so much, Sakshi, for asking the questions and making it more interactive, the whole session. Anybody else has any question, please feel free to type in, or I realize now you all can speak if you want. Please go ahead. All right, Sonal, I think this is it. People have asked all the questions. And with this, I think, Sonal, we can close for the day if there are no more questions coming.
Okay, so thank you to all the members who have joined in today's session. And one important area, and one I would say one request that I would like to make it to all the members on the platform is the fact that whenever you get inquiries and whenever you get leads from the platform, do take them as seriously as you do it when you get the inquiries directly from the buyers over the phone or over the emails, because this is one area wherein we as a part of the team, we invest a lot of our time, energy and our resources in putting and getting those inquiries to you in those specific categories. All our expectation is the fact that the business should happen. If you are a member of the platform, our intention is to get this business opportunities to you sitting in your locations, and that's what we intend to do and make your business much more, I would say, much more digitally active. Where when you start responding to these inquiries, even if you get a smaller inquiries right now, because not everybody is going to come and start putting a huge orders on the platform in the first place, because they want to start by testing the people. They want to start by testing the suppliers and what kind of responses and the engagements they do. So this is a credibility matrix which is there on both the sides, buyers for the suppliers and suppliers for the buyers. The more you start responding and engaging, you will start seeing that the inquiries will start becoming bigger as you start becoming a better, engaging person on the platform or with the buyer. So that's what I would like to say here. And share your products, share your details, update your profile on regular basis. Whatever changes that you keep doing it on your product side, keep sharing it on the platform, and that's where you see more and more kind of a right set of opportunities coming to you on daily or a weekly basis. Yeah. So I think with this, I hope I have kind of answered all your concerns. The web application is also available. So the same set of our web application is much more responsive. You get to see more detailing, more product videos, more DIY videos where you can do things on your own. If you get stuck up anywhere, you can reach out to Team Sotex. All the category managers are available at in the working hours. You can reach out to them and share your concerns. And as a team, we are here to help you and support to help you grow your business in a better times.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Sonal. And yes, what a wonderful presentation, as well as some engaging comments and questions from the people. Sonal, you've asked a question. we will send you the calendar of events to all the participants today. We will be sending a calendar of events, and as per the surprise, you will get to know about the surprise within the next 8 to 10 days. It is still going to remain a surprise for some more time. We're going to do a big event around it and going to be talking about it. And with this, if you notice, Ekta our team has sent the survey form also. Please click on this survey form and see and tell us how you like this program. And along with that, if you notice, there are 2 more links for LinkedIn as well as Facebook groups. This is where you can join the Sotex Connect community, and there you can get a lot of new news about all the events which are coming, as well as you can also get the recordings of all these events which are happening, present, past, and future. You will be able to get. So be with us, be a part of our Sotex community, Sotex Connect community for all the events, and we can guarantee you that we will add a lot of value to you, your business growth, as well as your personal growth. With this, I'd like to thank you all one more time for being so engaging today. And thank you so much for coming. And I would like to thank all my team Sotex for always being at the back end as pillars to make sure that every one of the team members, every one of the guests are taken care of. Thank you all, and see you next week. In fact, see you on Sunday with the Export Growth session. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, everyone, for giving your valuable time to us.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.